Hello, this is our video for the Spark challenge. We are making a band that will be able to predict when an individual is having an episode of hypohidrosis. Currently, the band isn't done, but the internal mechanism of actually predicting the episode is still working. So right now, we're currently measuring data. We're doing calibration, though the calibration should probably be over by this point. So now we're just collecting actual data of a user just wearing the band right now. We'll just collect a little bit more data before we enter a episode, quote unquote. All right, we're just gonna pour some water now in order to illustrate an episode since we don't have anyone with it right now. So we'll just get off for a second to do that and then put our hands on there. And then if you look over here at the motor, that illustrates that there is an episode currently going on. Now, eventually the water will dry, but we'll just remove our hands for, to show it. And eventually, the motor will, after a bit of time, show that the episode has ended. So now that we've done that, we'll just show the, we'll go ahead and just test our connection on our app. As you can see, it works. Now we'll download all the collected data. Just give it a second. It works. Now we will take the graph. This was the one that we just took here. You can see the time and date. We will plot it, and this is what we collected. So as you can see, this was the baseline data that we collected beforehand. These are just the empty data when we took our hands off of it. And then this is the during the episode state. You can see it's much lower than this, which means that we know that this was an episode as opposed to this one.